Shootout at Varala releasing May 3rd. Looking forward to that.
I'm saying it for the first time in my career, and I think I've made that quantum leap with Shootout at Varala. I'm very happy with what I've done. What is this enigma of this one guy coming in, trying to take over Bombay from 79 to 80 when he ruled? He ruled with 12 confidants around him, and no one knew where he lived. That's the strange part of this man.
Now you're having, I think, lots of big plans in terms of production.
I think Madras Cafe hopefully will deliver a very critically and acclaimed and commercial performance, we hope.
Tell us something about your experience with Bollywood Hungama. We've had a long-standing relationship with you.
I thought it was just another Bollywood portal. But to my surprise, your team has been absolutely fantabulous. And I hope this goes on for many, many years to come.
Well, it's a huge pleasure to have John Abraham with us on Bollywood Hungama. Wonderful to have you back, John, on Bollywood Hungama. And first of all, how was the experience of the Facebook chat that you did with us today?
It was lovely. I mean, it's so addictive because you want to just continuously be on Facebook with your fans. I call them my audience, but with them all the time, it's just so addictive.
Alisha from New Zealand, will you marry me? She's constantly asking, so I have to actually.
Alisha? Alisha, we'll come back to you later.
Someone is asking, are you in Happy New Year? Farah Khan's Happy New Year?
No, I'm not in Happy New Year. I would have loved to work with Shah Rukh because I really look up to him. He's a wonderful human being, and just being around him is so much fun.
Someone is saying that I can cheat on my man for you.
On record. This is questioning someone here. I'd like to cheat. I think that's do not be in a relationship if you want to cheat. You know, I think cheating is the worst thing that you can ever do. And I know this is fun, this is just a joke, but on a very serious note, I have not done it. I don't expect, and I hope no one around does it. So in a relationship, stay committed and stay that way. And that's the most beautiful thing.
When you're having a long-standing relationship and once it just gets over and dirty linen is washed in public, does it hurt you because you've never spoken about whatever happened with
See, because I've never spoken, that doesn't mean that I don't feel. It hurts. But the fact is that I've been honest, I've been fair, I've never cheated. And I've been good to people around me, and just out of sheer respect for people, I don't talk. And that's at this point of time, all I can say is that past my last breakup, I was single for quite some time till I met someone interesting and someone really special. Well, someone's asked me whether I'll do a movie with Salman Khan.
Yeah, that's a constant question.
Yeah, I think I'd love to do a film with Salman Khan. I'm a big fan of his. I think he's a real superstar in this country. I guess, you know, when he's chilled and in a good space of mind, he'd love to work with me. I'd love to work with him.
Shootout at Varala releasing May 3rd. Looking forward to that.
Yeah, completely looking forward to that because, you know, in an actor's life, there comes a certain film where he feels he's made that quantum leap. And I've never said this before. Okay. I'm saying it for the first time in my career, and I think I've made that quantum leap with Shootout at Varala. I'm very happy with what I've done. I'm not saying it's breakthrough performance, but I'm saying it's honest.
In terms of physicality, the kind of transformation that you've done for this movie, the kind of effort that we can see with the entire thing.
Everything. I mean, Manya Surve was a Mumbai Shri, means he was a bodybuilder. So luckily for me, my physicality was good enough to kind of match that body that Manya Surve had. Outside of that, just sheer research on the kind of person he was through his relatives, through the man who killed him in the encounter. I spoke to him, to everyone, just to understand what was Manya Surve about. What is this enigma of this one guy coming in, trying to take over Bombay from 79 to 80 when he ruled. He ruled with 12 confidants around him, and no one knew where he lived. That's the strange part of this man.
Vicky Dona has won 3 national awards. Now you're having, I think, lots of big plans in terms of production and everything. So tell us, what is the route that you guys are taking in the coming years?
See, I think first of all, Vicky Dona is only our first film. So if we jump around like kids, it'll be too presumptuous on our part. we have to be cautious.
Right.
We have to deliver more films that make sense. Otherwise, everybody will say this is a flash in the pan. I think Madras Cafe hopefully will deliver a very critically and acclaimed and commercial performance, we hope. So we're hoping we follow it up with very good films. We have Hamara Bajaj with Ayushmann after that. And we have Shujit's other one that's next. And we have a number of films lined up. But what's most important is we concentrate on content. So what we're doing is we're going back to basics.
Right.
We're just saying content is most important. We'll make stars.
Finally, last question. Tell us something about your experience with Bollywood Hungama. We've had a long-standing relationship with you. You've done chats and interviews.
There are a lot of tie-ups that I've done in my life where I've always expected things out of certain tie-ups. And with Bollywood Hungama, I expected nothing because I thought it was just another Bollywood portal. But to my surprise, your team has been absolutely fantabulous in handling my Facebook page. And I hope this goes on for many, many years to come. So I really hope, and I wish Neeraj and his entire team and all of you, Faridun and Anjali and Manish and Krushant, Sonali, everyone, all the best for really putting things together.
In fact, Mr. Neeraj Roy has sent a message for you that you're a swell guy, John, and one of Indian cinema's good people. Wishing you well, always, my friend.
Thank you, Neeraj. I really appreciate that. And the feelings are mutual, and I hope your portal and you do so well for yourself.
Thank you very much, John. Lovely to have you, man. Thanks.
Thank you.